So here usually it is better because it makes the page load faster. The browser show the content first and run the script later here. Then here is scripts. Here placing the script at the bottom of the body is good for the performance. This is the body and at the bottom of your body you have to always put your scripts. So it is better for the performance. We have already explained about this code, L automaton. So let me move to the next section. You see here we have a code also, like whenever this is what inside the inner HTML we will see the new text. Here we have like original text, but so inside bodies. Here let me understand these things. Copy it. Inner HTML here inside file HTML. Here you have to always put your script code here at the bottom of the bodies. Let me remove this comment. This is also, and we have p tag. So I think this code here we have two times. So first one, let me close. Now here we have your demo original text, then inner HTML. So we have a demo. Okay. So here first thing here, the browser show the content first and run the script later. Here you see text original text, but here we will change your inner HTML to the new text. So use here the new text. Okay, that is this one here. Just here get element by IDs means find that element by its ID. So here we have p tag and its ID. Here this is ID attribute and its values, it is demos. So here find RSS that element and then change here in the inner HTML means here that is a new text. So here let me check it here. Okay, let me open dev tools inside the console. Here inside code, here at the bottom, here you'll see the text that is a new text. Got it? Here inside your inner HTML. So this is your p tag, and inside inner HTML you will write here or get it your new text. Okay. Then let me move to the next section. External JavaScript files. Here code in separated.js files. Link with src attribute. Reuse across multiple pages. Keep code organized here. So the simple things guys here, how you can understand your external JavaScript file and what is the benefit. It is very simple. So here we have the next section, that is external JavaScript. Instead of writing JavaScript directly inside HTML, you can put in a separated files. You'll see like this is your HTML file, and here we have written your JavaScript code inside this HTML files. Here this is your HTML files, and here we have written your JavaScript code file. But now here this is my topic, external JavaScript. So we will create our separated JS files and link with the src attribute inside a script tag. Here this is your script tag. Here we have a src attribute. We will bind your file, that is a script.js file. Here you have to write your file name, whatever you have the file name. Okay, then you can easily use that code whatever you have put inside script.js files. So it is a benefit here. Here let's code. Here keep code organized. Okay, and reuse across multiple pages. Same code you can use many times. So let me do that here. It is a very simple thing. You have to copy paste that code. Copy it. Go inside HTML. Then here let me comment this code now. Next thing here basically what I want here. This is first thing, remove the comment. Let me remove this manually. Your comment, this is here comment. Okay, here basically I want to put this code in another file, like cut this code. Here definitions, external JavaScript files. So that's why here we have already that files. Let me remove this. Paste that code here. Welcome. Okay, so this is your external file, form.js files. So hello from the external files. So now basically this form.js files, you have to bind with file .html file with your file name here. So it is very simple. Here you have to write your file name that you want to use as the external file. So in my case, it is form.js files. So in place of a script, here write your file name that is form.js files. Got it? So here we have to just link file in your HTML files. This is your HTML file using the src attribute. Here we have the src attribute. Then here you have to just bind your file, your external JavaScript files with your file name. And file name it is form.js files. Got it? You have to create your file inside JavaScript folder, form.js files. Then here you have to bind with src. Here you have to write your file name. Okay. So here we have the text name of JavaScript in the heads. Then so here what is the benefit using the external JavaScript file? Because it keeps your HTML and JavaScript code separate. So it is benefit here. You have to just write only HTML code, and in this file you have to only write your JavaScript file. It is separated. So it is easy to maintain, read and writes. And you can reuse the same code on many pages. So this code you can use in many files, like here you can use create the multiple file of HTML, and then you can bind, just import and invoke these functions. Browser save this file so your site loads faster next time. You can even include multiple external scripts, multiple script in the HTML file, like here this is a, here you have your first file, copy this, then you can create here paste like form1.js files. Okay, here you can include multiple external script, then you have to create like this file inside JavaScript, form1.js file similarly. Then also you can add the multiple file inside HTML files. Okay, but we have only one JS files, so just you have to bind this on form.js files. So here let me just open your browser, refresh it. This is what here we have that. Okay, one thing we have forget to execute your functions here. So it is very simple. We have a button and on click event, just you have to invoke your functions. So let me do this here. This is inside it, we have this is, here we have a button. This is your button. Let me copy this here, put it on the top. So here you have successfully get your external file form.js file, but in this file here we have a function and that we want to use inside file HTML. You need to execute these functions. Let me copy this, your function name, this is your function name, welcome, inside file HTML. In place of change text, here you have to just execute your function welcome. Okay, now it is a very simple thing. First you have to get your external file, it is a form.js file. Then inside form.js file, so we have like function variable, whatever you have put the things inside it, and you want to use inside HTML file, then you have to invoke your that function welcome. So let me check it here. Let me refresh, and you say click me. Just whenever you click, then you say hello from external files. Got it? You go to the messages hello from the external file, because inside form.js files we have this code. Here let message hello from the external file. Now you have to just import inside file.html file as a src attribute, and then here you have to just invoke that functions. Got it? So it is very simple. Then here we have another logic how you can use the thing. Suppose Basically, you can import or use external file or different way to link an external script like full URL, then folder path. Okay, here like here if you want inside JavaScript here inside JavaScript create the new folder like JS. Then inside JS create the new file my my script.js files. Then here basically how to use my script.js file inside the file HTML, because this is a file, it is also external JavaScript file. So it is very simple. Here you have to write this code inside my script, paste it hello from the external JS file. Got it? Then here you can use this file. Here we have a root directory in JavaScript, but inside it we have another subdirectory JS, and inside it we have external file my script.js file that I want to use inside file HTML. So here it is very simple. Here you can let me create another script. Copy this, comment this code. Here we will let me this is comment, and then paste, and then here you have to write your folder path. It is very simple like JS. Then use here also the recommendation here JS/myscript.js files, and inside it we have the function, same function that we have here. You will write here welcome JS. Then it is easy for you to understand. Now you see how you can use external file inside folder path. Then basically this condition here form.js file, if we have to use same folder, inside JavaScript we have the same thing here form.js file HTML, but here we have another folder, so that's why here we will use this type of path. First you need to go inside that folder JS, inside file my script.js files, and then execute that functions. Here let me refresh it first, refresh, then click me, and you see hello from external JS files. Got it? So you will understand how to use another folder path. Got it? So here we have successfully explained everything about how to use JavaScript inside HTML file here. Got it? So we have successfully completed your second file, myscript_2.js file, understanding JavaScript in the HTML. Okay. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.